Really? Really snoring?
Yeah, I think he's snoring.
That is fantastic.
I think sleeping next to your snoring husband, Gary, it's annoying. Try sleeping next to the seal.
What's it like sleeping next to your annoying husband, Gary?
Yeah, Gary, tell us more about that.
Is that the front end or the back end of the seal?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes, and all of the above. And my question would be, good morning, gang, at 6 o'clock. Who knew that the talented Gary Gelfan, TV's Gary Gelfan, who knew that he had a killer Christopher Walken?
It's crazy, Don. It's nuts. Don, where am I? Over here. Over there. Don Geronimo in the house. It's crazy. We're here on Good Day in the Morning, listening and having fun.
All you need is more cowbell.
You know, I need more cowbell.
I like it,
please.
Gary. I like it.
Thank you. Like they always tell me to do De Niro. I can do more of the face than the.
What, do you do De Niro as well? Mate.
You see what I'm saying, Don? You're crazy, Don. You better be good today, Don. You better be good. You see what I'm saying?
Gary Gelfan, everyone. Gary Gelfan. Awesome.
Thank you very much. All right, I got to go now. That's crazy.
Oh, man, it is 6:01. Let's toss